Yep.
And then close the shrimp up so the meat, that middle seam opens up on the back and it's just go right across it as a lobster tail. Anything else for right now?
There we go. There we go. Very good.
Any place that's set up.
Yeah. Here we go.
John, I know you were sampling something.
I had one of these cookies here, but they got all kinds of wonderful things here.
I'm gonna have something. Okay.
Okay, let me know when you're going.
We're ready.
Okay. This project, as he might have been telling you, started off as their house at Bay Tree. And the idea behind it was that they had a beautiful yard, and I wanted to bring the outdoors in. So we were doing bird of paradise and tropical plants to do that with. The project was well underway. We had got a signed contract and approval of the sketch, and we had the transom already cut out on a workbench. And they called up and said, wait, we just sold our house, we're moving to Titusville. So that's how we ended up here and this project. We adapted some stuff, changed a little bit of the doors, because in the floor here, you see there's fleur-de-lis elements in the floor. That was already built in. So we added fleur-de-lis bevel clusters at the top here to make this all look like it belonged together. Now the other trick is we changed the transom, which was an arch transom, into a rectangle, so they could hang it right here in the foyer.
So ladies, this is Robbie's mom. She has a copy of her book for each and every one of you. So on your way out, please be sure to grab a copy of it. And I read it. It's a great read. It's critically important. It summarizes to sunsets, if you can figure it out. She's got her own podcast. She does really well. She's up in the Huntsville area. It fits the demographic. It's a low range. So that's how she does it. She actually did a cutout to see if they could get it in the elevator. Get it through the door. When it fit underneath here, they weren't comfortable with just the measurement. They literally made a cardboard replica of that spectacular piece.
Smart move.
Yeah.
Good designers will do that,
Yeah.
because even if